Kung naghahanap ka ng sasakyan na stylish, spacious, at ready sa kahit anong adventure, baka ito na yung para sa'yo. Hi, I'm Janet Barcia from Mitsubishi Paco Otis, Manila Main Branch. So today, we are reviewing one of the most popular 7-seater crossover MPV ngayon sa Pilipinas, the 2026 Mitsubishi Xpander Cross. For the exterior, mapapansin agad ang dynamic shield front design. Yung kanyang headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights are all LED. Sa rear, LED din with rear spoiler, integrated high-mount stoplight, naka-fin type antenna, and roof rails for extra utility. One of the best-selling point is the sound-insulating windshield. Ito ay isang special laminated glass windshield that helps to minimize noise and vibration sa loob ng sasakyan. For the dimension, meron itong overall length na 4,595mm, overall width na 1,790mm, overall height na 1,750mm, wheelbase of 2,775mm, at syempre, isa sa mga pinakagusto ng buyers ang mataas na ground clearance. Meron itong 225mm. For the gross vehicle weight, 1,840kg, curb weight of 1,275kg, and seating capacity of 7 person. Under the hood, it is powered by a 1.5-liter inline 4 double overhead cam, 16 valves gasoline with Maybach technology. Maximum power of 105 PS at 6,000 RPM, and maximum torque of 141 Nm at 4,000 RPM. Another selling points ay paggamit ng molybdenum disulfide. Ito ay isang special solid lubricant treatment na tumutulong para mabawasan ang ingay ng makina, mas smooth na takbo at mas efficient sa fuel consumption, and fuel tank capacity of 45 liters. Equipped with engine start-stop button, and for the transmission, 4-speed automatic with overdrive off button. Also equipped with electronic parking brake and brake auto hold. For the suspension, sa front, MacPherson strut with coil spring and stabilizer bar, at sa rear ay torsion beam. For the brakes, sa front, disc brake, at sa rear ay drum brake. Equipped na din siya ng anti-lock braking system and electronic brake force distribution, and also equipped with brake assist. For the tires and wheels, sa tires, 205/55 R17, at sa wheels ay naka 17-inch two-tone alloy. For the steering, naka-electric power steering with 3-spoke leather wrap. Also equipped with audio control and cruise control. And for the adjustment, naka-tilt and telescopic. For the multimedia system, meron itong 10-inch smartphone link display audio touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, multi-around monitor, USB ports, and AM/FM radio with 6 speakers including 2 tweeters. Sa driver's side, naka 6-way manual adjustable, and sa front passenger, naka 4-way manual adjustable. Naka 8-inch LCD meter cluster, and for the air conditioning system, digital control with heater. At syempre, may charging ports sa front and rear. For the safety, meron itong multiple airbags, seat belts, multi-around monitor, active stability and traction control, active yaw control, hill start assist, ISOFIX and tether anchor, and keyless operating system. Xpander Cross available in 3 different colors: green bronze metallic, sunrise orange, and quartz white pearl. So if you are interested, message me at 0968-70-94944. That is my personal contact number as well as my Viber and WhatsApp. Once again, this is Janet Barcia from Mitsubishi Paco Otis, Manila Main Branch. See you!